Kiddies ahead!
Learn the sight words. Set 1. Sight words are often seen words that you recognize instantly. Let's go! A. I. It. Is. In. To. You. And. He. She. Let's read. I read, then you repeat. A. I. It. Is. In. To. You. And. He. She. Now let's put them in sentences. It is a cat. It is a cat. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? I like apples and bananas. I like apples and bananas. She is coloring a rocket. She is coloring a rocket. He is in the box to hide. He is in the box to hide. Practice time. Now it's your turn. You read and I'll repeat. A. I. It. Is. In. To. You. And. He. She. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kiddies Ahead.